In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal business account quickly and securely. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your online transactions, setting up a PayPal business account can be a game changer for managing your business finances. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this process step by step, ensuring it's as seamless and straightforward as possible. Let's kick things off by visiting PayPal's business sign-up page. Begin by heading over to their website. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up option and choose the business account. This is your gateway to a whole host of financial tools that PayPal offers to businesses like yours. Next, it's all about your email and creating those important credentials. Make sure you're using an email address that isn't already tied to a personal PayPal account. Enter it here and then create a secure password. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access, so choose something that's difficult for others to guess but easy for you to remember. Now, PayPal will want to know more about your business. This step is crucial, as it shapes the basis of your account. You'll need to enter details such as your legal business name, contact information, and business address. You'll also specify your business type, whether you're a sole proprietor, a partnership, or a corporation. Adding a brief description of your products or services can help PayPal provide you with the best tools suited to your needs. Don't forget to include your estimated sales volume or monthly turnover, as this can impact the services available to you. Following this, PayPal requires some personal information. This is to verify your identity and ensure compliance with certain regulations. You'll provide your full name, your date of birth, and your address. Additionally, you'll need to supply your tax ID, such as your Social Security number if you're in the US, or your employer identification number for businesses. Once you've completed these sections, take a moment to review PayPal's user agreement, privacy policy, and other legal terms. It's important to understand these as they outline the rules for using PayPal services. Once you're ready, click Agree and Create Account to proceed. Next, it's time to confirm your email. You'll need to check your inbox for PayPal's verification email and click the link within it to verify your account. If for some reason you don't see it, no worries. You can request a resend through your PayPal dashboard. To start receiving your business's payouts, linking your bank account is essential. PayPal typically verifies this by depositing small sums that you'll need to confirm. This process might take a few days, so be sure to check your account regularly. Once your account is fully active, you can choose payment tools that suit your business needs. Whether you need online payment options like PayPal Checkout, invoicing, or even point-of-sale services, customizing your PayPal account can truly enhance your business operations. Now, you're all set with a PayPal business account, ready to take your business transactions to the next level. Happy transacting!